Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language inside the Baidu Map app. As you can see, I'm currently seeing this app inside the Chinese language. Now if you want to change the language of the application, there's no way inside the app that you can convert the language. So instead what you can do is just go back to your App Store or Play Store and just write down here instant language assistant or translator. You can just find any of the best application. Translate Now, AI translator, and Google translator as well, speak and translate, and I translate. Like, there are multiple applications. Let's say I want to go with this one. Download the application Translate Now, AI translator. Once you download the application, after that you can just open the app and you will see the like this application interface as well, like the translation. And you can just convert the language by this method. You will just click on the button translate and it will convert all your language, or you can say all your options, all the settings in from Chinese to the English or any other application or any other language that you want to change the language. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.